Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Starlink speed and network problem. If your Starlink is slow, buffering or dropping connection, follow the steps in order. Open the Starlink app and run a speed test. This shows whether the problem is Starlink internet speed, Wi-Fi speed inside your home. This helps you to know where the issue is. Tap obstructions in the app, go outside and look at the test. Tree, building or roof edge can block the signal and slow the speed. Move the dish higher if needed. Trim the trees if possible. A clear view of the sky is very important. After that, unplug the Starlink router from the power. Wait 1 full minute, then plug it back in. Give it 5 minutes to reconnect. This clear temporary network issues. And place your router in the center of your home, away from wall, metal object or electronic. Poor placement can cause weak Wi-Fi even if Starlink speed is good. Too many devices can slow your network. Disconnect unused phone, TVs or smart devices. Streaming and downloading use a lot of bandwidth. Make sure the cable from the disk to the router is firmly plugged in, not bent or damaged. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.